Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everyone? Today we start series of explaining lessons of grade 5. Here we start lesson 1 patterns with exponents and powers of 10. This lesson we will talk about the powers of 10 and the basic information about exponents and powers. Here we start. The number 100 can be written as a power of 10 using 10 as the base and 2 as the exponent. Here the power parts. Here when we write 100, we can write 100 as a repeated multiplication with the factor of 10. So 10 multiplied 10 equals 100. So these two factors, the factor is 10, is repeated twice. So we call 10 is the base, and how many times the factor was repeated is the exponent. So the exponent is 2. Here 10 to the power of 2 doesn't mean 10 times 2. It means 10 multiplied by itself twice. So an exponent is the number that tells how many times to use the base number as a factor. So when we have 10 power 3, it means we need to multiply 10 by itself 3 times. Now, the first question, which number is the exponent in the 10 power 5? So 10 is the base, as you know, and the number which is up is the exponent. So 5 is the exponent. So the answer is 5. So 10 power 5 means 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10. So the number which is up, which is the exponent, tell us how many times to multiply 10 by itself. Now, when a number is written with exponent, the base is the number that is used as a factor. So 10 is the base and 5 is the exponent. This is the power. Now, in the exponent, in the expression 2 multiply 10 power 4, which base is used as a factor 4 times? Now here he wants the base. Here's the power part. Here the base is 10. The base is 10. He asked me what is the base. The base is 10. Now the exponent, which is 4. So when we write 1,000 as a power of 10, we can find the value of the exponent by counting the number of zeros in 100. So if you want to write a number like here 1,000 as a power of 10, we write 10 as exponent here, for example, 10 as a base, and we want the exponent. So we count how many zeros we have in 1,000. We have 3 zeros. So the power will be 3. So 10 power 3 equal 1,000. 10 power 2 equal 100. Because this means that number of zeros equals in the powers of 10 equals the exponent itself. Here 1,000 written as a power of 10 as 10 is equal 10 to the power because he wants me to write it as a power of 10 to the power of 3 because 1,000 has 3 zeros. So 10,000 written as a power of 10 is equal to 10 power. So we have to count how many zeros we have in the 10,000. We have 4 zeros. So we write as 10 power 4. Now we go down. 1B colony on Mr. Jordan or Gordon's farm contains 60,000 bees. Complete the pattern to write 60,000 using an exponent. So we want to write it as a power 4. Here we start. This is the basic concept of the lesson. This is the basic concept of the lesson. 6 multiplied 10. 10 power 1 means 10. Here I want to draw your attention to 10 power 0. 10 power 0 equals 1 because 10 has only one 0. 10 power 0 equals 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 equals 1. A number raised to the power whatever is the base and the exponent is 0, the answer will be 1. Now 6 multiply 10 power 1, which means 6 multiply 10. Here, why I say 10 power 0, it means 1. Why? Because how many zeros should we have? 0 in the number here. As I mentioned before, the 0 represent how many zeros in the answer. So here 0 zeros in the answer, so no zeros, so the answer is 1. But here 10 power 1 means 10. So 6 multiply 10 power 1 means 6 multiply 10 equals 60. Now 6 multiply 10 power 2, because the exponent is 2, so it means 6 multiply 10 multiply 10. So this means the 10 will repeat it twice. This means 6 multiply 100, or we can write it directly 600. Now 6 multiply 10 power 3, which means 10 power 3 equals 1000, which means we need to repeat 10 3 times because the exponent is 3, which is the number that tell us how many times to repeat the factor 10. 10 times 10 times 10. So which means 6 times 1000, which means 6000. Now, in the last one, 6 times 10 power 4, which means 6 multiply 10 power 4. We need to multiply 10 by itself 4 times. So the answer will be 60,000. Now, uh, so now, 60,000 written as exponent is 6 multiply 10 power 4. Now on the back, this as practice, then write 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 with exponent. So just we count how many tens we have here. We have the base is 10. The base is 10. This is the factor which is repeated. The base is the factor which is repeated. But how many times it's repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power of 5. We can read it 10 to the power of 5 and or 10 with the exponent of 5 or 10 with the fifth power. That's everything. If you like the video, don't forget to press on like and subscribe my channel, معاذ الجباوي. Thank you very much.